everyone, thank you for joining me for this recent video and a very special announcement. As previously already stated, I have a brand new outdoors channel, and I know there's many people subscribed to me over the years for different videos and reasons and different subjects and topics. Now I'm narrowing down that niche and dividing Prophecy Prepper for what it would be with prophecy and prepping, and this brand new outdoors channel for camping, wild camping, adventures of all kinds, you name it, it's all happening on MJM Outdoors. The link to the channel is below in the description box. Please take this very brief minute to click on the link, subscribe to me on MJM Outdoors and also MJM Outdoors on Instagram, and I look forward to bringing you not only the favourite videos that many people have enjoyed over the past few years, they're coming fast, but also the brand new videos on their way. And as you can guess, there's a lot happening that's not in Prophecy Prepper, but it's coming to MJM Outdoors. So get over, subscribe, and I'll see you there. In the meantime, here's a little teaser trailer of what's coming on the channel. So there you have it, everyone. I'll see you on MJM Outdoors YouTube channel, MJM Outdoors Instagram, where there are hundreds of favourite photos in processing just now to be uploaded, as well as very fast videos coming up. I have over 60 videos of the Prophecy Prepper camping videos being re-edited and put on MJM Outdoors. So everyone who's ever enjoyed them, get over to MJM Outdoors, follow me on the journey still. Never forgotten about the subscribers into the camping, the wild camping, the trips around Scotland, travelling abroad. I look forward to doing anything and everything outdoors. And as you can see, a very brand new shelter deep in the woods. We're getting the wall sorted, fire pit, clay oven, sofa, who knows. But yeah, plenty more coming, so join me in this journey as well, and we'll take it from there, from the woods to the hills and anywhere else that my feet can take me. See you in MJM Outdoors.